Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another Jesus Taco review. We're gonna go over some of the new Beyonce stuff that she collabed with Adidas on. A lot of people are thinking that Beyonce really didn't put a whole lot of work into this collaboration. She basically just picked some colors, picked some already set up shoes and apparel, and then Adidas just went to work and colored everything for her. But honestly, I was kind of hyped for the sneakers. I mean, for sure, not everybody is. They are unisex shoes, so a lot of the female genre is definitely going after these sneakers. But the strap bag thingamajig is the thing that I really thought was cool, and it finally just came in, so I'm gonna open up for you guys. My life has been a little bit crazy lately. We did give back a foster child that we had for quite a few months, and they're gonna go into a new home, so right now I am child free. Super fun, got a lot more time. I have been resting a lot, which has really been necessary because, you know, you can just get your life being so busy and sometimes you just need a time of rest. So I've been able to do that. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I got different stuff coming out all the time, just different things I'm into that I pick up and whatnot, and I like to show you a positive life, all that goodness. I'm also doing a raffle. If you go to my Instagram, you can DM me your first and last name and your United States shipping address. You can be entered into that raffle once I get to 2,500 subscribers. Then I'll go ahead and draw a name and they will win a Supreme goodie bag. So gonna be pretty fun. There's still time, so yeah, obviously if I pass that amount of subscribers, then the raffle's already over. But I try and have a raffle going on pretty much all the time. So anyways, let's go ahead, break into this, see how it is, see what we think. Ooh, it is a very, very vibrant, very loud, bright orange. And yeah, so that's all that comes in that box. Right away you see it comes in this plastic rolled up packaging. Got a bunch of warning information on the front here. And we'll just take it right out of here. I'm not sure if it's all in one piece or if it comes taken apart, but we're gonna find out. Looks like, yeah, it's all together, pretty much all together. And yeah, so I'll just show you guys a few of the tags on this. I'll throw it on. You can tell me what you guys think about it. It was kind of crazy, that's why I wanted to grab it. Here's this hang tag. Got. And then there is a tag on this pocket that hangs down. This Ivy Park tag. See glistening in there, and that's fastened to that zipper, so that's not coming off. No, definitely not. No. Got Velcro all throughout. 3 stripes. Those are embroidered into this plastic kind of waterproof type material. Not exactly sure what this material is. I mean, it's definitely some sort of a waterproofing type stuff. And I don't know about the noise it's making. Maybe once I put it on, it's not going to be as noisy. Let's see if I can figure this thing out. What do you guys think? You guys dig this look? I guess I would have to stretch these really far down in order to get this all the way to my leg. That's what is this? That's crazy. I don't know if I would do this. Maybe I will, maybe not. I wanted to pick this up, just check it out. It is so crazy. I mean, I don't know where I would wear this, but I have a feeling it would be to some hype event, something pretty cool, which I don't really go to very much. So I might just hold on to it and see what happens. But yeah, I want to show it to you guys. You guys can see what this thing looks like, what it's all about. A little crazy, but we are going to get into the Ultra Boost now. These ones are pulling some pretty strong vibes from the very first Ultra Boost. It was Burgundy and really popular, just crazy popular. Everybody wanted it. This one is just, it's a bit different, you know. They added some stuff, but for the most part, it's that same color, that same super bright orange like this. Actually, this is probably brighter orange than the orange that was on that original Ultra Boost, but I don't remember. I've never had it, so there we go. They did this tag a little bit different, totally different from Adidas normal stuff. So yeah, that's all that the box is, just all this white. And when we open it up, go. Oh, there's that sneaker. Oh, that's such a nice color too. I really like that 1.0 pattern as well. It's a great pattern for the Ultra Boost. pretty much the only thing that Adidas has going for it right now is the 1.0 pattern Ultra Boost. They really got to figure something out because Nike is doing a bunch of really cool stuff, and Adidas is kind of falling off the map, honestly, when it comes to relevance and just in competition and stuff with some of these other brands like Nike out there. This collab with Beyonce could have been so much more. I really think it could have been if they would have really given her more freedom to do some new creating instead of just coloring existing products. That's always tough. You know, we see Yeezy with all of his new shoes that he basically shapes up and gets to have made, and Beyonce, I feel like, should get something similar to that. But I don't know, this bag, maybe she was able to do that with this. I will go over the shoe. You have the Ultra Boost sole, which is super comfy. Everybody loves that sole. You have the prime knit upper, nice and stretchy on this one actually. And then this giant tag on this one. Look at that giant Ivy Park tag on the back. This rope lacing says Ivy Park instead of Ultra Boost, so that's one other key difference. And then the insole, Adidas Ivy Park. We got that bright orange on there again. And yeah, so guys, let me know what you think of these sneakers. What you think of this bag strap thingamajig. Do you think that I should ever be wearing this, or should this not be an option? I guess if you put this on your leg, I guess then you don't even need a pocket for your pants. So there you go, you're all good. It's perfect. Anyways, yeah, before I let you guys go, I do want to shoot some positivity at you from the Bible, the YouVersion Bible app. This is good and pleases God our Savior. He wants all people to be saved and to learn the truth. There is one God. There is also one mediator between God and humans, a human, Jesus Christ. He sacrificed himself for all people to free them from their sins. There we go. So Jesus came to free all people from their sins, all humanity. Jesus came to just rescue all of us up and to save us and to put us in a positive place, to get us thinking in a positive direction, to care about other people. That's how positivity grows, is by caring about other people, not just about yourself all the time. If you're just self-focused all the time, that really can create you to be depressed. You don't want to do that. You don't want to be depressed, man. So I just want to try each and every day to be better and better, live each moment to the best of my ability. So yeah, come along with me on this journey, and we'll do that, look at different hype stuff. I got a little side business, as you can tell, right? But anyways, I am going to be doing a video here soon with these two box logo crew necks from 2015. You guys can see those, see how you can legit check them and whatnot. And other than that, I am out of here. So, oh, I do have a Supreme backpack I still got to open for you guys. So we'll get into that next time. Yeah, love y'all. Peace.